Hey developers, in today's video we got an exciting project. We're gonna build a simple calculator with using HTML and CSS within 5 minutes. So I thinking like in something I'm going to code more complex stuff now. You are going to more thrilling about it. So without talking too much, let's move to my monitor. Okay. Then you can open here and I have a HTML index file, so you want to create that file, and I move to the Google Chrome and open the ChatGPT. Okay, then I'm going to type here something like write the code, oh no, please create a simple calculator using HTML and CSS. Let's see. Okay, I'm getting the code. It's working. Little bit JavaScript also used here. It's not big issue. Okay, I'm gonna copy this code, and I'm gonna paste here, you see, and save and open the live server. Alternate. Oh wow, plus 1 2. Okay, I think it's more beautiful, but something like styling errors and something more not user friendly. So I'm going to change the I'm going to add some. What can I do it? I calculator. Oh yeah, now you can see how this is more beautiful. And okay, this is the end of the video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and see you in another video. Cheers, bye.